It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like words!
The word of the week is tornado! Yay! A tornado is a very fast spinning column of air shaped like a funnel that comes down from the clouds and touches the ground. You can also use tornado in a sentence like this. A dark tornado swirled back and forth on the ground. All right, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey, tornado! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new